Hey there, what is up? MJ here. For this video, we're taking you to one of the newest attraction here in Cagayan de Oro City. It is located at Sitio Iba, Barangay Dansoliwood. It's one of the places that my family and I are looking forward to visit to. And that place is called Dansoliwood View Deck Cafe. It took us around 30 to 45 minutes to get there and to witness that stunning view. Amazing. And I just want to tell you ahead, just to give you a warning, there's road constructions along the way, but don't you worry, you will get there safe. And there you go, where you will take a turn going to Dansoliwood. That's the drop-off area, the main entrance, but we decided to go directly to parking area just to check the view there. And it didn't disappoint us. That's the view, guys! And yeah, from the back door, na may stairs going to the view deck area. And yeah, nag-una-una na si Konsehal. Konsehal, kaway-kaway naman dyan. Hello. There you go. Diba? So we went down, going to the view deck area. And this is what you will see. Totally, the place is really lovely, I swear. As lovely as Madam Gina. May pa-wave, diba? And as I can see to it as well, it has this country home inspired vibe. Country home vibe, yes, with a twist of an overlooking view, which makes it really perfect. And as you can see, there's a lot of seats and space for everyone who will visit Dansoliwood View Deck Cafe, and they also offer beverages, food, snacks for all. And let's see si Mayman ni Konsehal. Oh, what can you say about the place?
Beautiful. It's a nice place. Dansoliwood. Dansoliwood. Very nice. So,
yeah.
Mountain juice.
Mountain juice. Again, Dansoliwood View Deck Cafe is located at Sitio Iba at Barangay Dansoliwood here in Cagayan de Oro City. Alright, so here we are enjoying the rest of our time here. At ayan na si Konsel, kakain na siya sa kanilang best combo na putumaya and sikwate. Okay, diba, lumamon na si Konsehal. Okay ba? Okay daw, there you go. Diba, so pa-wave ni Konsehal Roger Abade and yours truly. Thanks for watching!